Today, I'll present a quick start video for the DU03L. First is the part about hardware installation and wiring. We have a controller here, followed by two digital output modules and one terminal module. First, we need to install the modules. Installation is done by sliding them in this way. Install each module into place, one piece at a time. After they are installed in place, we need to wire the modules. This row on the module is for power wiring. The first two terminals are FV positive. These two are FV negative. The middle one is PE. The bottom two are FV positive and FV negative respectively. First, we supply power to SV. This is positive. This is negative. Then, by using a jumper, we can supply power to FV. This completes the power installation. Next, we need to connect an Ethernet cable to our computer for programming. Either of these two ports can be used. The third port is a port for acting as a PN or EtherCAT master. Not needed for now. We connect this one first, plugging this cable into the computer. Once connected, we power on the module. Okay, now the startup is complete. After startup, press the small round button in the middle to enter the next menu. When on this panel screen, click the down button. Here you can see its IP address. Next, we can use this IP address to program it. Or we can also log in via the web to modify this IP address.